Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to change date on Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. To change date, we will go to the settings. Then we're looking for what are we looking for? Here it is. General management. Here we have language, keyboard, date and time. Day and time. First we have to disable our automatic date, time zone, and we can set time that we need, hours, minutes, and it's done. But we have to remember to have it unchecked, our automatic date and time. The same we can do with time, with date. We can set any date we want, done, and our date and time is now changed to the one we want. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.